Happy Earth Day, everybody, and happy 25th anniversary to what I think is the most beautiful Disney park in the world. That is Disney's Animal Kingdom right here at the Walt Disney World Resort. It's hard to believe that this park has been open for 25 years. It has become, over time, my favorite Disney park, at least here in the US, in the United States of America, just for its charm and beauty and just overall atmosphere. I mean, look, you would not believe that where I am right now is in a theme park. I mean, look at the size of that tree. It's ginormous. You would not believe that this is inside a theme park here in the Central Florida area. You would not believe that there is an attraction inside of that tree here in a theme park in Central Florida. It's honestly amazing, just the overall atmosphere and feel of this park, where there are real animals, but the animals are not just in your face like a typical zoo. You have to go out of your way to find them. This park does not have the most attractions. It has great ones like Flight of Passage, an all-time favorite of mine. I'm wearing the 5-year anniversary t-shirt, of course. Now that I think of it, it's probably the only Animal Kingdom shirt that I own. So of course I had to, sport it when I came to the park today. And then you've also, of course, got Expedition Everest, which I hold near and dear to my heart. And of course, Cali River Rapids, Dinosaur. A lot of great attractions that you just can't find anywhere else. Even though Dinosaur is just a clone of the Indiana Jones Adventure attraction over at Disneyland in California. But it's just like, this park is special to me in a way that I cannot really explain. It's honestly just the beauty of it. Sorry that this vlog, or if you could call it a vlog, is kind of all over the place. It's sort of me just pacing back and forward. I really only have about an hour here today. I came in really late because I just wanted to stop by to kill a couple hours before I had to go to work. And of course, we're better to kill a couple hours than here at Animal Kingdom on its anniversary. But I mean, today really is honestly special. I didn't know what kind of stuff to expect from today. So I kind of woke up a little late, not gonna lie. I missed my alarm clock and woke up really late, so I didn't enter the park until about 2 o'clock. It's about 2:45 now. And so I was just walking around, and I did not expect them to go all out for today. There's commemorative park maps, special character meet and greets. I really wish that I came early, guys. Like, I just walked by a massive line to meet Jiminy Cricket. Jiminy Cricket, one of my all-time favorite Disney characters, and I did not prepare in the slightest to see him, and so I just do not have that kind of time to wait in that line. It looked like it was going to take pretty much my entire time here at the park today if I did want to come and meet him, so I passed on that opportunity. Then it also looked like there was a nice little stage show out in front of the Tree of Life this morning, where they had some of the Finding Nemo characters from Finding Nemo the musical to do a little opening ceremony to start the day. I would have liked to see that. So I guess you could say that I was a little like, I don't know what the word is that I'm trying to think of, but you could say that I did not prepare in the slightest for today. I mean, this is giving flashbacks kind of to how Epcot's anniversary day went. That I did prepare for. I got to the park bright and early last year on October 1st to celebrate Epcot's 40th anniversary. So really all I have plans in my short visit here today is to maybe check out some of the merchandise. I don't think I'm gonna have time to go on any of the rides. I mean, Disney's Animal Kingdom, wow. I cannot believe that we have made it this far, up to 25 years here at the park. Now let's just go on and explore down farther through these trails and see what kind of mystery we could find, because these trails are some of the hidden gems of the park. And just look at this. I just absolutely love these trails. Had to cover my camera as I walked by that waterfall so it wouldn't get wet. Nowhere else in an American theme park, guys. Joe Rohde and what the Disney Imagineering team did to design this park, honestly spectacular. I cannot believe that all of this is right in my backyard. Honestly spectacular. 25 years, and she's still kicking butt as one of North America's best theme parks. Without a doubt. Alright, now what I really want to do is go see what kind of merchandise they have. Let's hop into one of the two stores out here in the front of the park and see what we can find. And so they actually do have half the store closed off for the limited time merchandise, and this looks to be the line for it. Quite a journey indeed just to get inside. And now we just came out of the gift shop now. To be honest, the merchandise did not really pique my fancy. Like, I didn't really see anything that I had to have. They did have a really cool limited time. I believe it's only going to be available today, right here on April 22nd. But they only had like a size medium left. I'm typically a size large, and I just did not really feel the need to purchase another t-shirt. I did pick up, however, a little gift for Daniela, so just a little secret between you and me. So I did pick up something there, but Earth Day, the 25th anniversary of Disney's Animal Kingdom, however you want to celebrate the day, she is beautiful to me. I love her with all my heart. Out of the parks that I've been to, this is my favorite Disney park. I was supposed to be going off to Tokyo Disneyland as a surprise trip around this time actually, but plans shifted and unfortunately it just did not work out because Tokyo Disney Sea, I knew it was going to become my new favorite Disney park. But here in the States, this park, Disney's Animal Kingdom, I will always hold near and close to me. She's special in just about every way. And so guys, that's gonna do it. I have to head out of here now, unfortunately, cutting the day a little short. Again, I really wish I had come earlier to really just, you know, go wild, as they say here at the one and only Animal Kingdom. I really wish I didn't, you know, have work today at all and I could just like make it a whole animal themed day, going on over to Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge maybe to close out the video, because that is my favorite Disney resort as far as like the charm and the atmosphere. I just really love the whole animal experiences here at Walt Disney World. They are really cool, and I love that they were able to do this in the Central Florida area, literally in my backyard. I only live like, what, 15-20 minutes away from this park. Now with all that being said, guys, I believe this is where I'm gonna leave you. So of course, if you're new around, be sure to like and subscribe down below to ParkTwister for more episodes like this in the future. I'll see you next time, guys. A lot of amazing stuff coming up. Even though we weren't able to go to Tokyo, we are still gonna have a few amazing trips coming up in the near future this summer. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one, guys, and stay wild. Catch you later.